Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the top 5 things that I would definitely do again on our Royal Caribbean cruise, specifically on Oasis of the Seas, and that I'd recommend you do as well. Before we get started, give the video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, click the subscribe button down below, and make sure to watch till the end of the video, where I'll give you the one thing that I definitely wouldn't recommend you do on a Royal Caribbean cruise.
Hi. Yes, sir.
Starting our countdown off at number 5 takes us to Port Canaveral near Orlando, Florida. We took a pontoon boat tour here in Orlando, in Canaveral area, and it was beautiful. Well worth the probably $200-ish we spent on it. I forget the exact number, but the tour took us through some of the back bays and canals, and it was just gorgeous. I'll leave you now with some of the footage.
Down and up. What you got, folks? There's another window here. What do I see? That is. Shows you that long tail with the ribbon. Doesn't that neck look like a snake?
Moving on to number 4 on our countdown takes us to Coco Cay in the Bahamas. Now, this is Royal Caribbean's private island, as many of you may know. I would recommend not paying for the water park unless you have certain age groups of children, like older teens or even younger teens, because there's plenty to do here without paying extra. There's a child splash pad area, which is really well designed and clean and nice, with some free slides that kids can go down as well. And just in general, the beaches here are really beautiful. There's also a huge pool area that I would say is probably at least an Olympic-sized pool in length, with a swim-up bar and lounge chairs that are embedded in the water, and just a ton of different things to do and see. There's also a DJ that plays some really, when we were there at least, played some really good music. Beyond the pool complex, there's a lagoon area that kind of, it's a lagoon. It comes in from the ocean that you can kind of free swim in, and man, is it salty. This might be the saltiest water I've ever been in. It's real salty. Whew. And there's the zip line up there. I somehow neglected to take video of the beach area, but here's a photo for you. And it should also be noted that there's a pretty convenient tram that goes around the island, as it's definitely a lot larger than it looks on paper. So the tram was a nice convenience. Number 3, Margaritaville Resort in Nassau, Bahamas.
Try this one? You want me to do it? This one's for you.
So, Margaritaville opened about a year ago, and it's a really fantastic resort that's not too far away from the cruise terminal. So I'll take you guys around the resort and kind of show you some of the slides. They have a handful of decent water slides and tons of things for kids to do, as well as a beach and kayaks. So take a look at the footage and see if you want to go yourself. Another really awesome thing about this resort is they have a free jump area that you're going to see in a second. It's basically a 10-foot cliff into an 11-foot swimming pool. It is awesome.
Jump. Jump.
But I don't have to get
is like some kind of rooftop nightclub or something, but it's pretty cool. And over there in the distance, you can see Atlantis and all the cruise ships. Ours is behind that one. I don't know what that is, but I'll try to find out eventually. Down there's a infinity pool. It's really cool. None of this is included with the day pass, by the way. I just kind of walked up here just to check it out. Looks like there's a bar up here too. The front of the water park and beach area is a great place to watch ships come and go. Just make sure yours isn't going without you. Coming in at number 3 on the list, catch a show in Studio B. Now, Studio B is the, quote, first ice arena at sea, and man, do some of these shows look really good.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Royal Caribbean International Ice Cast in Frozen in Time!
And coming in at number 1 is definitely catch a show at the ship's Aqua Theater. The performance is amazing, the technical stuff that they do during the show is amazing, the lighting, everything about it is just awesome, and the fact that they actually have people under the water with oxygen tanks for the performers so that they literally disappear and reappear from under the water is just so cool. And now for the one thing I would not recommend doing on your cruise. It's catch COVID. Definitely do not catch COVID on your cruise like this guy. Probably got it in the elevators because they were insanely crowded all week. Or the casino. One of the two. But I didn't want to add a 6th thing to this, but you should also definitely go see the piano guy in the elevator. Here's some footage of it right now.